What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing some PPF on the M2. This is something that I've actually been wanting to do for quite a while now, and I've been on the fence about it just because of the price and everything of getting it professionally installed. So I decided I'm just going to try and do it myself. So I went ahead and got the 3M clear brawl, so that way it's pre-cut. I don't got to mess with that. I just have to line it up perfectly and basically just get it all installed with the solutions and all that. I kind of wish I didn't wait so long. I did prep it right now. I got the surface nice and clean, then I noticed more rock chips. So I'm glad I'm doing it now, but I wish I would have done it sooner. So if you're on the fence, I would definitely just say go ahead and get it done now. And hopefully by the end of this video, I can give you some feedback on whether you should try it on your own or get it professionally done. I usually like to try it on my own. Especially like installs are averaging about $600 to $800, at least here in my area in San Diego. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a shot. And like I said, hopefully by the end of the video, I'll have some good news and it'll look pretty good. And at least, you know, get it from protecting it from getting more rock chips. So with that being said, just go ahead and sit back, enjoy the video. One of the things I did do, I did purchase the kit for the front. It's just the bumper. I didn't get the fenders and the partial hood or anything like that, but I did get the headlights because I did notice that my headlights as well are getting some chips on it. Fenders and hoods seem to be okay so far. It was mainly just the front bumper and the headlights. Looks like that they're getting basically most of the chipping. Go ahead and unwrap this. I've got my soap and water and my alcohol and water. So this is, I guess they call it the slip solution, and this is the tacking solution. So we got to drench this with the soap and water. That way we can get it on there and get it moving around and everything. It looks like this is the front here. There you go. I see the cutouts. Go ahead and unravel this. Okay. So the main bumper is right here. Oh man, my table's not large enough for all this. Like the headlights are in a separate film here. I'll put this to the side. Got some instructions here. Show you guys real quick. So you probably can't see it from this angle, but I'll bring it in a little closer. You can see here is the film. Looks like these are probably for the bottom cowls, the main bumper, and then the center. Alright, and I did ask for the cutouts for the tow hook and for the window washer. Cool, so let's see. I've got to peel this up and apply some of that soap on the back. Alright, so I did go over it one more time just to be sure the wax and everything else is taken off. So I went over it with some Clean Slate from Chemical Guys, and then I went over it with some surface prep from Adams. So this is a surface prep basically for getting all whatever contaminants are left onto the off the paint to better promote adhesiveness. So we'll see how that goes, and like I said, we'll go ahead and get started. I guess I got to peel off one of these sides and just start spraying it down with the soap. Put the soap right here. The alcohol I'll leave next to the car because I won't need that for a while. here. Got it laid on there. Now I'm just gonna try to position it so it's basically as centered as we're gonna get it. So I am currently at an hour and a half and this thing is kicking my ass. Obviously it's a lot harder than those YouTube videos make it seem, but you know, I was up for the challenge. So far I am just trying to get some little corners down. There's still like a lot of fluid, not fluid, but you know, water and soap still underneath, no matter how much of the tacking solution I put on. Maybe I should have put more alcohol in it. But other than that, it's starting to go down. It's looking pretty good. Looking promising here, so I think we'll be okay. Just got to be more patient with it and just keep messing with it, start laying things down. But I'm pretty sure I'll be pretty happy with it. For the edges here, I kind of just get the microfiber towel and the squeegee and just kind of jam it in there to kind of hold it down a little bit so it gets into the crease there. That seems to be working all right. Let's see if I can get you guys to see in there. So there's, I don't know if you can see that extra piece that sticks out right here. So I got it to fold in. So quick little update. Number one, I knocked over the tripod and now my lens right there cracked. But luckily it's just the UV lens. I don't think there's any damage to the actual lens. Believe it or not, that's the second time in 2 weeks. But anyways, as for the progress on the clear bra, or the paint protection, whatever the heck, same. It's coming along pretty good. I started on the bottom part here, as you can see. So right now I'm just letting the back part dry up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and push it down. So slowly getting on. So try it on there. You just really gotta get it onto that contour right there. This part right here I'm still having issues with, but I'm confident it'll get down. I just need to get the corners in right here, and then this part right here is all done. And get my phone off the tripod here. So this part is all good. I just got to clean up the edge right here. That part I didn't press it down yet. Still just letting some of that water dry out. But it's coming along pretty good. Gotta say, so far I'm pretty happy with it. Just gotta keep messing with it. Alright, so for the most part, I'm pretty much done. I'm done with the car, and I'm done physically. Like, this was, man, the only little part I gotta fix is just this little part right here. I'm just waiting it to dry up a little more. But everything else, it's on there pretty good, and honestly, I am pretty happy with it. There are some tiny bubbles, but I was looking online and stuff, and it seems that, you know, the bubbles are kind of normal, and they'll kind of work them way out after just being in the sun and stuff like that. So overall, really happy. As long as I got protection from some chips and all that, it's all good. But I mean, pretty good. Overall, the fitment was pretty decent. I mean, you do kind of have to stretch it out a good amount, and it is pretty frustrating to do because, like I mentioned, you pull one side and the other side becomes short, so you really got to tack it on one side and pull it to the other, and just try and line everything up. Like these, I had cutouts right here, so I would kind of line up that hole. I had the cutout for the side marker, so I would line that up. The cutout for the badge. So I try to line up all the cutouts and then kind of just work my way from there. So it was just a long, tedious process. I would say, what is it? Probably about 5 hours or so. And then again, like this is the first time I've actually done this, so not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty happy with it. I do have to do the headlights still, but that I will do another day because, like I said, I'm beat. I am so stinking tired.